I am living in one of the coldest countries in the world, and it is in the middle of winter now. It is really freezing outside. Sometimes it is +4, but sometimes it is -20. That is also the big reason of delaying my winter video series. But the good news is I'm coming back. Before starting the video, I want to ask you a question. Do you believe that the thoughts in your head can create your life? Yes or no? Let me tell you, my answer is definitely yes. You know, our life is not decided by some outside force. We decide our own destiny. What we think and do now determines what happens to us in the future. There's nothing in life that you cannot change or cannot correct or cannot improve as long as you learn to control your thoughts. When you no longer feel the need for money, then money will come to you. The feeling of needing money comes from the thought that you don't have enough money. And if so, then you will just go on and on creating the truth that you don't have enough money. You understand me? So, you are always in the creative process, and you can decide to create financial shortage or financial abundance. To say it in another way, when you are afraid of losing something and try to hold on to it as tightly as you can, you only push it away from you further and further. These thoughts are filled with fear, and if you keep holding on to them, the thing you fear will mostly happen to you. So just make it simple. Don't be afraid of anything. Even if you are in a bad situation, just think about what you want. That would be much better, friends. It is important to remember that Every single second, you are creating an attraction. In order to change the present situations and redirect your life to a higher level, you need to change your inner thoughts. Good thoughts, kind words, and nice action will improve your level of attraction. And the higher your level of attraction is, the more good things you bring to yourself. As you see, I am preparing for a big event of the year, Christmas. No matter you are Christian or not, Christmas is really a big event in Europe. We decorate our house with full of Christmas things.
Delas i små bitar eller? Så är det bara två små bitar av här bara. Det är bra.
We have good news together. We visit each other if possible. If not, just stay inside in the cozy home. Enjoy Korean series with the family. And that is called happiness.